Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a flower. And I have blue and green. And this is a butter knife that I'm using. Okay. Okay, so you're going to need green Play-Doh. Or whatever color. I don't care, I'm using green because I only have green and blue. And so I don't want to make my stem green. I don't want to make my stem blue, actually. Sorry, I messed up. Okay, now I'm going to get the same color. Smush it down after you roll out a piece of Play-Doh. And then I'm going to shorten this out. Okay, you want to make two of these flappy things, and then squeeze them both on like this, and then you get the blue Play-Doh, smush it down, just like you're making the leaves. And if you want to make it more detail-y, you can just like take something, like make lines in it. And that's what I'm going to do with the stem. Not the stem, the flower thing, majig, the top of the flower. I'm just going to put it on. And yes, you can use this to do that, but I'm not going to do it. And then I'm going to get a different color, smush it down. Actually, you can make it into a ball, actually. You make it into a ball and smush it down. And then do this. Okay? So, once you smush it down, you made a flower. And so, that's it for today, guys. Comment below if you have Play-Doh. And the question for today is, have you ever made something out of Play-Doh? And then what I'm doing right now is just doing this. So, comment down below what I just said, and subscribe and like this video. Turn on those notification bells. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.